All right, good afternoon, everyone. So there was this, like she mentioned, this is an app we created for to make the affordable housing situation process easier. And these are my two workmates. They developed the app. This is Leo, and this is Alex, and I'm Greg. Okay, so what are the problems with finding affordable housing? Well, we found two key issues we wanted to work on. Those issues were, one, missed spots. So what I mean by that is that people cannot be contacted because they moved somewhere while they were on the waiting list, and they didn't update their information, or they weren't prompted to update their information. They changed their cell phone or telephone number, so they're on the waiting list and they can't be contacted at all. So they pretty much missed their spot, basically. The second problem we wanted to address in this app was that there's a lot of information out there in terms of finding apartments and whatnot. So it's a very difficult process, the navigation process. There's so many web pages to go to. So we wanted to work on alleviating that a bit. Also, the Housing Connections website, which is the main website for going to apply for affordable housing, is not user friendly. And basically, it's a frustrating process, and we hope this app will help alleviate that problem. So we have a live demo of the app here. So all the APIs are connected now in the app. So we're going to kind of just do a run through here. Oh, before we do that, sorry about that. I wanted to describe why this app will make things easier. So we hope this app will make it easier to find better housing choices. We also wanted to. We hope users will be able to keep their information updated with this app. We want users to keep their wait list with this app. And finally, we want to help users make better choices so they'll be proud when they find the housing they need. Okay, so now for the app. First thing, we have to go and make sure we're eligible for this for affordable housing. So we test it out here we check subsidized housing, and we go through a checklist here. So we choose something. It's very easy, user-friendly, minimalist. We hit next steps, and then we've applied for. We're eligible, but now we have to go in order to get into the app, we have to go to housingconnections.ca. So there's no connection with with that website in this app because there's no API for housingconnections.ca. So people still have to use it, so they go to that website and then they get a registration ID there. So once they get the registration ID, they come to this app and they create a profile. So Leo's going to go ahead and put in the information. So telephone number, cell phone number, income, and the application ID they got from housingconnections.ca. They create a password, and now we are registered. So we're going to go ahead and log in with that registration ID with the password we created and log in. So here we go. This is the user interface for finding all the listings of affordable housing in the city of Toronto, all the different zones. So you can look at map view as well, not just list view. So if that's a bit more useful, it can be used. Let's go back to the list view. So let's choose one. Let's try the first one, Robert Forest Manor. So there's a photo of the building. We have the address there, the neighborhood it's in, how many bedrooms, the provider, an overall rating from the neighborhood information we gathered from open data, which I'll explain at the very end. And also the cool thing is it's attached to a Google API, so if he clicks map, it goes right to the Google Maps. So I love Google, and I think everyone knows about this, so it makes things so much easier. And that's about making things easy for the user ultimately. And now I like this place. Okay, let's add this to the wish list. So we're going to click the heart, and now it's added to our wish list. All right, let's go back and choose another one. I like the one right here, Leo, the one 747 St. Clair. So we click on this one. Same information, we got the address, the Midtown Toronto area, the bedrooms. And as you can see, it's located in a central location, close to the TTC. There's a lot of amenities there. There's South Street Burger across the street, which is my favorite burger place. So that's cool. We have that set up. I'm going to add that to the wish list as well. Do you want to add one more, and then we'll show them how to remove one? So let's add one more. Just pick something, and then... So let's add this one to the wish list as well. We have the information. They're all different neighborhood information. And we go to, sorry, you may have missed that. We go to My Profile. You click Wish List. It takes you to this page. And let's get rid of the last one. I don't want that one. So we click it off. And let's keep these three.
Okay, got about 2 minutes.
Okay, we apply, and then we take you to this page. The reason we need this page is because we have to download this doc. And the reason we have to download that doc is because, like I said earlier, we don't have a connection to a community housing, right? Is that
Right. Yes.
yeah? There's no API, so we have to download the doc, go to the community housing website, upload that file to the web page, and then we're ready to go. So we're trying to make it easy, streamline the process. Okay, so we'll do that, and now you're pretty much on the wait list, and you'll get this important information. This is what I was telling you about, how we didn't want to lose your spot when you don't update your information. So an email is provided to you on a monthly basis, we're hoping, a minimum on a monthly basis. And there's information here. We saw that you applied for a housing program, the application ID. Please inform us if you've changed your personal information on your application as soon as possible. There's information about the housing connection. There's an email address, and just a friendly little SMS or email that we keep reminding people, because the wait lists are long, we know that. So people are going to keep looking for other housing. So we hope that's going to actually help, that people get information on a monthly basis. So this is the open data we use very quickly. We've used the Toronto Police crime data for the neighborhood information. We've used Wellbeing Toronto for population. And like I said at the beginning, these are already incorporated into the app itself. The technologies here are being used. It's a hybrid platform. And we hope the next steps, we're hoping to create more information such as pollution and noise, might be really useful for people looking for that kind of information in the neighborhood. And also some information from landlordswatch.com. And that's the end. This is our information if you want to connect to us on the webpage, and some information, our contact information. And we really hope this app will make a change, a small change, so that it'll just make people's lives easier and maybe more fun to find housing, because it shouldn't be so stressful, it shouldn't be so frustrating. Thank you for your time, and we had a great time. Thank you.
Okay.